I'm going to show you the easiest way to shift a manual truck transmission, and we're going to start right now. Alright, slow down. Clutch all the way. It's okay.
Which gear I was on?
6. It's alright. Kevin left this on.
I put it down.
Oh, you put it up.
I put it down.
And then you put it up again.
No, but I think he went on 6 and then he put it down like I did yesterday.
Yes. Yeah, it was up. That's why.
It was fast.
You know that you do fast, right?
Dang it.
What you do is you kill the clutch and then get out of gear.
Okay.
Easy.
Now I am.
This is now fourth.
Yeah. Okay.
We're gonna go here, make a right turn.
I was like, what?
It's way too fast.
One can't do that.
Right, don't turn early yet. Remember, you gotta go to the bottom first. Wait for the cars. There we go. We're gonna go all the way to the bottom and then turn right. There you go. You're gonna watch your trailer. It's good. Get back on the right lane. Make sure they're off this lane completely. Good. Beautiful. And let's go to 5. Ready? 5 is down to me. Ready? 1, 2. 2 seconds, right? Let's go to 6. Split her first. Ready? 1. No. We're down. We're going down, remember. There you go. 6 is down, remember, okay? And easy on the gas, okay? Remember, we don't want any more than 15. And then we go to 7. You know, 7 is up here. Ready? 1, that's 9. 7 is right here. Little bit of gas. Boom. Okay. Slow down. We got a stop sign coming up. It's okay, you can stay in the gear. We're gonna make a right turn here at the stop sign. All right. Gonna flip it down, get out of gear, go back to 4th. Feel the shake. There you go, a little bit of gas. And now we go, we're gonna turn late right in the middle. Now. Good job, watch your trailer, is good. Remember, we'll go to 5, over, down, okay? 2 clutches, ready? 1, 2. You need to get off the gas, okay? Flip it out first. And you hold it, you see all this? Let me show you, all this is a gear. So you hold it right here. That's the exit. After that, it's just out of gear, okay? Over, around, down. Ready? 1, over, down, beautiful. All this, get rid of it. Hold it right there. We'll go to 7. 7 straight up, okay? 1, straight up. 2, good job. See, if you don't go over, you go to 9, right? So you gotta go straight up. And then you know where 8 is. Remember, get rid of this. There you go. Ready? 1, 2. 2 seconds, okay? I want you to pause for a little bit on neutral, and then you go to the next gear. All right, we're gonna go straight, okay? Stay right in the middle. Keep going straight. Let's go, give a little more gas. If the light changes, keep going, okay?
Yeah, because...
Keep going. You have no time to stop, okay? And as long as you're in red and yellow, you're good. All right. So let's do a downshift. Remember, when do we downshift to 25? No, we don't need this, right? 25 is 7, right?
Yeah.
So this is 8.
Yeah.
Hold it at the door. Gas, gear. Good job. Pretty good. I'll give it gas and hold it at the door, and we go to 8. We're going up again. Ready? 1, 2. Beautiful. Right? You want to take your time to 2 whole seconds, okay? Not too fast, not too slow. It's okay, you can give a little gas. We're gonna go into 9th gear, give it more gas, get the RPMs up. Remember, hold it at the door. 1 is out, and then 2 over. Good job. You see how easy it pops out when you hold it already at the door? Yeah. Okay, let's do a downshift then, doing the same method, right? We're gonna go into central neutral. raise it, and then down. Good job. You see how I had to help you to push it to the middle? Remember, you gotta go to the center, right? Boom. We're gonna downshift to 7, okay?
Okay.
So what's 7? What
I
speed
have
is?
to go to 10.
What speed is 7 in the speedometer?
25.
25, good job. Wait for the needle to reach 25. You're gonna clutch neutral, raise it, and go straight up. Good job, beautiful. All right, let's get some,
The truck is shaking too much.
yeah. Okay, technical difficulties, it's all good.
That's okay.
It's part of the bloopers.
That's okay.
All right,
I am on 25, 7, 9,
so downshift, this is 25, right? Yep, go to 8, straight down, 1, 2, beautiful. All right, we're gonna go to the left,
I need to
and we
downshift.
downshift at 25. More gas, right? If you give it more gas, it gets wider.
Right, and it doesn't.
Slow down a little bit to 15. No clutch, no clutch. Clutch won't slow you down, okay? Get out of gear and go to 6. Gas 6.
I'm scared.
You're scared, I know.
Just try-
Remember, the clutch is not doing anything, okay? So you holding the clutch, you won't get in gear with the clutch in like that.
Right.
So what you need to do is get off the clutch, rev the gas, and go to 6. I know you're running out of room, right? But the clutch is not doing any good, okay? So you gotta release it. Only when you stop, like right now, is when you hold it in.
Okay.
You're already shaking, right?
A little bit, yeah, I feel
So
it.
push it in more. You only want to do that?
Ready to go.
She's ready to
I'm
go.
really, really slow. It's okay.
All right, pretty good. That was a good downshifting.
Yeah?
So remember the free play, okay? You want to get rid of that free play on the gear. Yeah, we can go. Move all the way over to the right. Don't change gears yet.
No, yeah.
Once you get in the lane, you go to 5. Ready? Free play. 1, 2. Remember, all the free play, right? Get rid of it. Put the accelerator up, we're going to 6. Watch the road. Hold the free play. 1, over, down. There you go. So there you go. I want you to hold it right there. Whenever you're ready to change the gear, grab it and push it up a little bit.
So no free play.
So there's no free play, right? All this travel time is gonna make you lose the gear.
Okay.
Let's go to 7 with that little method. Ready? As soon as you tap on the clutch, 1, 2. You see how beautiful it is? Nice and smooth.
Yeah.
Remember, do the free play for 8, give it gas. As soon as you let go, 1, 2. Good job. Give it gas and we'll go to 9, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Okay? Slow down. Slow down to 25. Remember, this is 9. 7 is right next to it, okay? We're gonna downshift to 7 at 25. So all I need you to do, just go to neutral, rev it up, clutch 7.
Oh, 7.
It's okay, you got into 8, that's fine. You can pick 7 or 8. 7 was a better gear because it's closer to 25.
Yes.
So that's why you can shift from here to here. Because you're just going straight to the next gear, which is
I
7.
think 8 is my, I'm on neutral. I think 8 is my favorite, that's why I went to 8.
Yeah, because it's just straight down, right? It's easy.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's go to 9. Remember the free play? There you go. Go to 9, 1, 2. 1 and a half. Watch the road. You gotta make sure you got 2 seconds, okay?
Okay.
All right. You feel the engine is a little heavy for that gear?
Yeah.
So I want you to drop to 7. No gas, no gas. Okay, now you can drop to 8. Because you speed up a little bit. Gas, 8. Gas. Gas. 8. See? As soon as you give it gas, get right into the gear, okay? All right. At the stop sign, we're making a left turn, okay? So we're gonna move our way to the left little by little when it's safe to do.
A lot of cars.
Wait for these cars.
2 more cars.
Yep. All right. One more.
Yeah, that's okay.
There you go. All right. Let's get a 9th gear back up again. What is this? 8? Yep.
8, yeah.
Give it gas and we go to 9.
At 9?
Free play. Easy, easy, easy. There you go. Too much gas is not good, right?
I'm upshifting.
So slow down and go to 7, right? 7 is a big U.
Oh,
Clutch neutral first. Rev it up. And then 7. Good job. You see how you went around?
wow.
You matched the speed at 25 and at 7.
Got it.
So we're making a left turn at the light, okay?
On the stop sign.
Stop sign.
Stop sign, right?
Yeah. I said the light.
I'm making sure I heard you right.
Yeah. Otherwise you would have keep going, right? There you go.
Yeah, until I find
So
the
you're
light.
following instructions, right? That's what I told you. At the light and there's no light. All right, let's make a left turn.
Yes, sir.
You can get on the outer lane,
On-
the outer left lane, and then start slowing down. Easy. Let's get a smooth stop. Remember, that also counts. There you go. Feel the clutch, splitter. And then we reset.
Actually, I am already.
Nope.
Oh, no.
You gotta get out and back in, okay?
Yeah.
There you go. All right. You can start moving up. After them, you're gonna go in. There you go. He's gonna wait for you, okay? Let's go. Good job. Okay, go to 5. Over, down. 1, 2. Flip it. Get rid of the free play. Ready? 6. Over, down. Over.
Why do I keep going up?
Over all the way, and then down. Why are you going up? That's a good question.
I don't know. I never did it. I know that 6 is down there.
It's okay. Let's go to 7. Get rid of that turning signal. All right. Ready for 7?
Yeah.
Remember the free play? Good job. 1, 2. 1, 2. You see how long it took you? And you still got it, okay? So don't panic. You got plenty of time. All right, let's go to 8. 1, 2. Beautiful. A little more gas and we go to 9, okay? Ready? 1, 2. Beautiful. Good timing. Timing is perfect, so your shift is gonna go really smooth. Let's see a downshift. Remember, I want you to center back to the middle. From 9, free play, to the center, gas 8, okay? Ready? Clutch neutral. Gas 8. Boom, good job. I want you to do the same for 7. I need you to match 25 miles per hour. Look at the RPM, look at the speedometer. Get that needle to 25, free play. Go to the center, gas up. Good job. I need you to match 15 for 6 gear, and then we go to 6. Remember, over, down for 6, right?
Yes.
Let the needle drop all the way to 15. Free play, gas, gear. Good job. Let's go back up, 7. Free play, 1, 2.
No gas.
With no gas. Let's go to 8. Free play, 1, 2. Good job. Slow down now. We'll go back to 7 at 25. Free play, gas, 7. More gas, gas, 7. Slow down with the brakes to 15. And then we'll go to 6. Free play, gas, over, more gas, that's 8. Clutch, it's okay. Gas, over, down, more gas. There you go. A little more gas, okay? Remember, you gotta know what the gears are, right? Boom, boom. I'm just gonna throw all these numbers at you. You gotta know what they are.
But it freaks me out when I'm trying to stop. I only focus
No,
on
it's
stopping
okay.
the truck, not changing
I'm not
gear.
even worried about it. Listen, the gear is gonna slow you down. So it's good to get in gear, okay? And the lower the gear, the better.
Right, straight.
Yes, go ahead and reset. We're gonna go to the right. Good job. It's okay.
Okay, do it.
Going to the right. Good job. We're making another left, okay?
If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the subscribe button on this page so you can get more videos like this in the future. And besides that, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.